Hello everyone, this is going to be a demonstration of my Desk Assistant Final Controls project. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the mechanical system we have set up here. We have our first pulley point, which represents the hidden position of the electronics core. And we have our stepper motor with belt attached, our servo motor with fan, and our ultrasonic sensor, which then triggers the actuation of the stepper motor. Inside of our modified electronics box, we have the Arduino and all the other necessary components. This was originally a pencil box, and I have now modified it to be the Desk Assistant. So you can see here that we have a wheel with thumbtacks to aid in traction when pulling this module cord. For the sake of this particular demonstration, we have a Apple iPhone cord mounted to the pulley, and it is about 3/4 of the way to the destination due to the stepper RPM taking so long. So we're going to test out all these components individually, starting with the fan and joystick system. So when I actuate this joystick, the fan turns on its servo. This potentiometer here controls the fan RPM. Then we can go back and actuate it again. So now for the main demonstration of the project. This cord would be out of sight and out of mind. And then when we hold our hand in front of the ultrasonic sensor within 4 centimeters to simulate reaching for a cord, the stepper motor will bring the cord to us. As you can see, it brings the cord to us. Now, we're not using a mechanical clasp in this system because it would weigh a lot and put a huge amount of tension on our makeshift pulley assembly. I'm going to pull the cord off. I'm going to let the clip run up over the pulley, and then we're going to send the cord back. In future iterations, this could be very, very easily fixed, but for our specific situation, we're going to use duct tape because it enables us to allow the cord to go up and over the pulley, which I'm going to demonstrate now. So we have the cord in hand, we have our clasp in the same position. And you'll see here that our clasp is going to go up and over the pulley assembly. And then it's going to be in a position to take our cord back. Now, my hand just maintains 4 centimeters in front, and there's our clasp ready to take our cord back. So I'm going to set you guys down. I'm going to hook my cord back, and then we're going to watch it get pulled to the finish line. The primary limitation of this design thus far is the RPM of the stepper motor. Obviously, torquier motors with higher RPMs do exist, but for the sake of our experiment today, we're just going to continue to use the one we have now. Now, the other issue that we see with this design is that occasionally you'll see droop in the pulley, and that is just because as the cord gets farther and farther away from the pulley point, we start to experience some issues. So I'm going to take you guys back up. We have our cord hooked back up into our pulley, and we're going to watch as I hold my hand in front of the assistant and take it back. Now, to demonstrate the completeness of this project, we need to make sure that we have the fan running and the servo working as we do this. So now we can watch as the stepper motor takes our cord back to the starting point. Now, occasionally it'll get snagged down the tape, and you can see as it gets further and further, it does droop a little bit, but it is well on its way to its concealment, which is the final destination. This is the Desk Assistant one last time.